Imagine you are the city forester for a community with 50,000 trees. Last night, a powerful storm moved through the region. Wind gusts reached nearly 60 miles per hour. By morning, several large limbs have fallen. Public works crews are responding to blocked streets. Residents are calling City Hall. Local reporters are asking questions, and the mayor wants to know what happened. But here is the real challenge. You are not responsible for one tree. You are responsible for an entire forest growing inside a city. Welcome to the Urban Forest Professional podcast. This series is designed to help arborists and urban forestry professionals understand how cities manage and care for urban forests. If you already work in arboriculture, you likely have strong knowledge about pruning, removals, tree biology, and safety practices. Those skills are essential, but urban forestry requires a broader perspective. Traditional arborists typically focus on individual trees. When someone hires an arborist, the questions are often straightforward. Is this tree healthy? Is it safe? Does it need pruning or removal? Urban foresters ask very different questions. Instead of focusing on a single tree, they look at the entire tree population across a city. They ask questions such as, how many trees exist across the municipality? What species make up the urban forest? Are younger trees being planted to replace aging ones? Are certain neighborhoods lacking canopy coverage? These questions require data, planning, and long-term thinking. Urban forests grow across streets, parks, school grounds, and residential neighborhoods. The decisions urban foresters make today may influence the city for decades. In fact, many urban forestry decisions consider time horizons of 50 to 100 years. History provides a powerful example of why this long-term perspective matters. In the early 20th century, many North American cities planted rows of American elm trees along their streets. These trees created beautiful green tunnels that shaded roads and sidewalks. But cities planted far too many of the same species. When Dutch Elm Disease spread across the continent, millions of elm trees died. Entire streets suddenly lost their canopy. Some communities lost more than 70% of their trees. This disaster changed how cities manage urban forests. Urban foresters realized that city forests must be diverse, resilient, and actively managed. Instead of planting only one species, cities now aim to maintain a wide variety of trees to reduce the risk of catastrophic loss. Urban forestry today combines science, planning, and community engagement. Urban foresters analyze tree populations, plan long-term canopy goals, coordinate planting programs, and work with city officials, developers, and residents. It is both an environmental profession and a public service. For the ISA Certified Urban Forest Professional exam, remember this key concept. Urban forestry focuses on population management, not just individual tree care. When answering exam questions, think about the entire urban forest system, diversity, canopy coverage, and long-term sustainability. Those concepts are central to modern urban forestry. Today we explored the shift from traditional arboriculture to urban forest management. Instead of caring for individual trees, urban foresters manage entire tree populations across a city. But cities do not protect and invest in trees simply because they look nice. They do it because trees provide measurable benefits that help cities function. In the next episode, we'll explore why urban forests are increasingly viewed as essential infrastructure for modern cities. You've been listening to the Arborist-podcast. Our goal is to grow our collective knowledge, one domain at a time. If you enjoyed the podcast, please like, share, and subscribe to help us keep this momentum. Until next time, let's keep growing this community together.